Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to my video. My name is Tirath and I am an English teacher. Today I am going to show you a very bad paragraph and then tell you why it's a bad paragraph. Then I will show you a good paragraph and tell you why it's a good paragraph. And furthermore, I will tell you the features of a good paragraph. So let's begin writing a paragraph on the topic my best friend. So as you can see, the topic here, the topic of my paragraph is my best friend. And as I told you, this is a very bad paragraph. So you will know why it's a bad paragraph.
India is also a country. There are many countries in the world. Now, the whole world is a village. I live in a village. My village is very beautiful
And so on. If we keep on writing like this is not a good paragraph. This is a bad paragraph. The first thing is why it's a bad paragraph, because the topic is not clear. People will not understand, the reader will not understand what am I writing about. So what I'm trying to write here in this paragraph, is it clear? No. The topic of my paragraph is my best friend. I wrote a few things about my best friend and then I started moving from here to there, from one thing to the other thing. I just wandered to many of the things there. So this is not a good paragraph. The next thing is there is no connection, interconnection between the sentences. One sentence of the paragraph is not connected to the other sentence of the paragraph. So there is no relationship between the paragraphs, and that's why this is a very bad paragraph, you can say. So, how to write a good paragraph? Tell me in the comment section. Thank you. Now let's look at a well-developed paragraph, or you can say a good paragraph. So let's write on the same topic. The topic is again my best friend, my
best friend. And I will begin with the same kind of writing now. For example, my best friend is always my best friend for several reasons. The first reason is his interest in study. He is very hard working student like me. So we study together. The second reason is his honesty. He is always true to his word. He never tells a lie and never cheats anyone.
forever. Now, if you think about this paragraph is all about my best friend. I have not mentioned the name here, but I have talked about reasons why that particular person is my best friend. And I'm not talking about anything else than my best friend here. So all of the sentences are about the same person here. And the next thing is that the connections are all clear. That interconnection between the sentences is clear. Here in the above paragraph, the connection is not clear. The sentences are not about the topic, you can say. They are about different things. As the sentence moves on, the topic keeps changing here. So this is not about one topic. Therefore, there is no unity in the above paragraph. But here you can find the very feature of a paragraph that is known as unity, that all the sentences of the paragraph are about the topic. Okay, and here in the above paragraph you cannot find unity. The next thing is there is coherence. Coherence, that refers to the fact that the connection is there between the sentences. There is interconnection between the sentences. And if you want to maintain coherence, you have to keep the fact that you use pronoun, you use parallel structure, and you use transition words. So you can use three things to maintain coherence in a paragraph: logical order in a paragraph, interconnection between the sentences. So, how do you feel about this very bad paragraph and this very good paragraph? If you have any kind of suggestion or any kind of query, write in the comment section. And if you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.